Hi guys, good morning, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hey, I'm Shakay. I do vlogs, lifestyle, beauty videos. So if you're interested, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, click the bell so you notified every time I make a video. Yes, and don't mind this here. I just wanted to curl it last night because it needs a little bit of strengthening, so I just wrap it, what do you call it? No, set it. So yes, that's what's happening with my hair. So yes, right now, as you guys see from the title or the thumbnail, we are gonna be doing a fridge clean out, organization, and such like that. So right now I'm going to actually start that. It is Wednesday and we're gonna do some work because I won't be here like for the rest of the week and I need the fridge to be clean. So we're gonna do that right now. Not that one. All right, so let me show you guys our fridge and the state of it right now. So yes, so this is the fridge. So in the freezer we have quite a few things. It's just for me to take out the things, clean it out, and organize. Same thing over here. All right, and then in the fridge, this is what we have. It's not that bad actually, but it wants to clean and it needs some things, like some things are in there that needs to just come out. So we're gonna do that today. Yeah, so let's get this going. Yeah. All right, so we're gonna start by clearing out these things on the top row. Just set them here, then we can like wipe that out, organize it, and then we're good to go, right? Yeah. So we have done the first shelf, so we're gonna pack in back the first shelf things and we're gonna wash the second one and continue. So yeah, let us do that. All right guys, so I've cleaned out the entire thing. Why this mosquito in my fridge out. So I just put in one. I'm gonna wash the other one and then that one, then I'm gonna clean out that. Gonna pack in back these things and then I'm gonna do this side. Yeah. Okay, so this is the progress. We have all these shelves that are clean. We're gonna start packing in. Yeah. So I'm gonna put like the leftover stuff one place, but me don't know which parts. Alright, so probably I'm gonna put this stuff in here so let me go. Because like leftover things and I want them to go one place. Yeah. And then to want them up at top, but like the pots and so are gonna have to go there. The saltfish, this can go here, and this stuff on the shelf. So far that's what we got. So we got the fruits, the sugar, the saltfish, juice and water on this side. Then that I might have to see like this thing in between here. Yeah. The water be in the middle. Yeah, I think this is juice and I don't even know. It looked juicy-ish. So since it looked juicy-ish, I'm gonna put it right there. This is my mom hair stuff. These are hair things. So I don't want these on top. These I need to check what those are, and then those, and then this. I think might go in the bottom. Don't know. I'm gonna check what this is. Yeah, this is not good anymore. Yeah, we're gonna start these off first. I literally forgot about you guys, but anyways, I have been doing well, not gonna lie. I'm gonna show you guys what I've done and all. So I've organized these things, I've washed them. I have the one down there to do, so I'm going to be putting in these things in. So this is supposed to go here, and then I'm gonna place these back in the bag and put them down in here. Hopefully they can fit. Where is the opening for this? I don't even know. Get down. Ta-da! So I have cleaned the fridge and all. The freezer, that's the freezer. Freezer is clean. Fridge is also clean. So Shanique, what do you think of my fridge? Yeah, so we're done, people. We are done, sis. Yeah, we're done. Hi guys. So it is like probably about a week or more after the clips that you saw before. So yes, I'm gonna clean the kitchen now, and I thought like since I need the content, I need the video to be a little bit longer, so I'm just going to like add it on. And so don't mind my hair, please don't mind my hair. Kind of just giving it a break from being combed like every day because it's breaking. And yeah, so that's what's happening. Yeah, anyway, so we're gonna wash the plates and such.
Today, oh God, man. I'm a trim low today.
Your boy frightened me.
Oh, so what's up with him? Hi.
They don't want to see you. They frightened me. Move your piece aside, them Payan. Don't bother.
What do you mean, what that?
What that's?
Just no side already.
The people, they might not eat it like them. guys, we're actually filling up this thing with some warm water because I kind of like it with warm water because it kind of make it a little better. And we're using this Axion, I don't know, just normally buy dishwashing liquid, and I'm gonna put some bleach in it. I'm using it for bleach, so. And I'm using like retail bleach, so it's not refined or whatever. It's kind of, yeah, strong, but yeah, I can't find the other thing.